Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use LangChain for retrieval apps. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use LangChain for retrieval apps, all you can do is simply go and tap open LangChain. Once you tap open LangChain, you can simply use it for like retrieval augmented generation, that is RAG application, by involving several key steps to enable a language model to answer questions based on external and specific data. Now, first of all you gotta do is simply load your data. You need to load your data from various sources like text files, PDFs, websites, and stuff, and use your document splitting. You can simply split your large documents into smaller and manageable chunks to improve your retrieval efficiency and embed your document. You can convert these documents chunks into numerical vectors embedding using a embedding model called OpenAI embeddings or Hugging Face embedding. Then you can simply create a vector store, set up the retriever, and build the RAG chain. You can also query the RAG pipeline and you're all set. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.